Most people who want to change their identity details in Quotex don't realize it's not just a click settings and edit situation. You're dealing with a licensed financial platform. So yeah, they take it pretty seriously when it comes to identity. This usually becomes a problem when someone moves, changes their name, or more commonly, types their name wrong in a hurry to start trading. And once verified, you can't just change the info yourself inside the account the way you might on Instagram. Step 1. Log into Quotex using your credentials like usual. Don't bother looking for an Edit Personal Information button. It's not there. Instead, your best bet is to head straight to support. That's where the real journey begins. Click the green chat bubble in the lower right corner. That's live support. Or if it doesn't open, go to the Help or Support section in the dashboard. This is where you'll need to ask for a manual identity info change. You'll need to be direct. What support normally tells you is to write an email to support@quotex.io. You explain what info needs changing, your name, address, or whatever, and why. Keep it short, professional, and don't get cute. They deal with fraud attempts all the time. Now here's where people mess up. They don't attach the right documents. You must send in a government-issued ID that shows the correct spelling or updated info. If it's an address change, attach a utility bill or bank statement showing the new one. Pro tip, take clean, well-lit scans or photos. Blurry images get you the digital equivalent of an eye roll from the compliance team. If the docs don't perfectly match, they'll write back and delay your process. Verification equals bureaucracy. It usually takes about 1 to 3 business days to hear back. But if they're swamped, or if your image looks like a potato was your camera, it could be longer. I've seen people get stuck for a full week because of one bad upload. Now, here's the thing that might surprise you. Your trading access isn't always restricted while the change is processing, but if the info doesn't match up eventually, they can suspend withdrawals. Which, yeah, gets scary fast if money's on the line. For anyone who opened their account using incorrect info back in their "I just wanted to see what this was about" phase, it might be easier to just open a new account properly. But be honest with support. They're not robots. They'll usually help. One odd issue is that Quotex sometimes sends responses in Russian if the platform detects your browsers on a VPN or a different language. If that happens, just reply in English and they'll switch back. Don't panic. You weren't hacked. Last note, if you live in a regulated jurisdiction like parts of Europe, your ability to make changes might be even more limited. Views vary on that depending on the region. But here in Portland, I've personally updated my info in less than 48 hours, so it's not always a nightmare.